Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this week so far. And welcome to a new video on XAI, all right, or XAI, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it XAI. Wanted to do a quick video on that because we got a ton of momentum basically since Saturday evening. I was following it. I did not take any positions. However, you must know that I do hold XAI in spot, all right? So I might be a bit biased. I might be a little bit more bullish because I hold it. Who knows? I try not to be. I try to be objective, but just in full transparency, now you know. And I bought it. I bought it all the way at the start, right here at around 60 cents. So I'm up. So it doesn't matter that much, but still, now you know. So let's talk about XAI. So obviously, right now, what's happening is that there's a bit of a narrative, or a bit of a narrative. There's a big narrative around AI, also a bit of a narrative around gaming. Now, XAI, because of the name, but also because of what it does, has exposure to both of those narratives. So in terms of that, I mean, XAI, excuse me, it's a bigger project. Like, the market cap is already at around $370 million, but I do think it has a lot of potential. So check it out. And if you look at the market structure right now, you can see it's very bullish as well. We technically broke above this major resistance level at 1.1 already yesterday evening. And then what we did overnight is we also broke above these double tops right here around 1.25. Also a bit of a psychological resistance level. So technically and fundamentally, I would say right now, XAI is very bullish. Now, what we are seeing is a bit of a pullback, all right? So you can see we're pulling back here. That's mostly caused by Bitcoin. You can see that if you look at Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame right here, you can see a big red candle. Bitcoin dominance is also dropping down, so it doesn't, well, this one is actually bullish. So Bitcoin dominance going up, Bitcoin itself dropping down. What that usually results in is weakness for altcoins. So that's also what we're seeing for XAI. But apart from that, I mean, some sort of a pullback was necessary. Now, the main question is with this bearish momentum, is how far is it going to take us? And how will it affect XAI? Because if Bitcoin was not here, right? So if there was no Bitcoin, I would say it's most likely that XAI will pull back towards the main levels it broke above, between 1.25 and 1.15. It will find support there, maybe settle down a bit. I mean, the RSI is quite high and we had some big liquidations before overnight. So maybe settle down a bit, but eventually rally up to our main resistance level at 1.55 and 1.6. And I also do think that's most likely, because even though we're getting some bearish momentum for Bitcoin right now, I don't expect a huge crash yet. I think at some point of time, Bitcoin is going to have a huge flush. Probably in the next week. I don't expect it yet. So at this moment, I still think that this is most likely for XAI. Like I said, I mean, or I haven't said this, but we had some big liquidations to the upside, to the supply side. So people who were short. Now we got some big liquidations of people who were long, who just longed it with a very tight stop loss, I guess, or a very tight liquidation. So we also got that. That's actually quite bullish, but the RSI is still quite high. So I think we'll see that settle down. Open interest is still ridiculously high. So there's a lot of momentum. So that's why I'm telling you, in combination with the narratives and the general market structure, I still think it's most likely it will rally up to 1.6. And from there, we'll see again. But that is, I think that's everything you need to know. Now, obviously, maybe I missed something. Maybe some things don't make sense. That could be the case, obviously. So let me know down in the comments if that's the case. Then I'll try to explain it again. Down there, you could also find more info on my premium and signals group. There you would have received the signal to buy at 64 cents back in the days. But that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.